take a look now at the Reasoning with Families of Functions Study Guide assignment. The assignment begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, we can see the questions. It says, which of these features do the graphs of y equals 2 to the x and y equals 0.5 to the x have in common? Well, it says they have the same y-intercept. So remember, the y-intercept means that x is equal to 0. So if we plug 0 in for the first equation here, that's 2 to the 0 power, which is 1. And then we do the same thing here. 0.5 to the 0 power is also 1. So they do have the same y-intercept. So that's true. Neither have x-intercepts. Well, remember, anytime we have an exponential function, it has an asymptote at the x-axis unless it shifts up or down. This one doesn't have a shift up or down, so it does have the same x-intercept in that they neither of them have x-intercepts. They are both continuous because we know that exponential functions don't break up. They have asymptotes at the x-axis. We know that's true as well, so it is all of the above. So we're going to go ahead and highlight that, and then we're going to go to our highlighter tool, and you can pick any color you want, just make sure it's something bright. So we'll go ahead and do orange. So there's my answer. Then I do the next one. The next one says, which of these features do the graphs of y equals x squared and y equals x to the third have in common? Well, it says the domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity, meaning it's continuous. Well, that's true. We know that it goes on forever. So that part's true. The graphs have no asymptotes. Well, that's true as well because we know that there's no asymptote in any kind of continuous thing, and there's no denominator to create a vertical asymptote. The graphs have no maximum value. That's true as well because these both go up infinitely, and they're both continuous. We know that's true. So this is all of the above. So we go ahead and highlight it, go to our highlighter tool, and we're going to make it orange or any color that you want. And then we're going to continue to answer these until we finish the assignment. Once you complete the assignment, go ahead and go to your answer key, and you can check your work. So the first one we said the answer was E, and we can see that that's correct. And the second one we said the answer was E as well, and we can see that's correct as well. So you can check your work using this answer key. Now to make sure that we stay on track, I've created a schedule for you to follow here. If we scroll down, we can see where you're supposed to be. So by the 10th of May, you should be able to complete questions 1 through 2 on the characteristics of power and exponential functions. By the 3rd, you should be able to complete questions 3 through 4 on transformations on power functions. By the 5th, you should be able to complete questions 5 through 6 on transformations on trigonometric functions. By the 4th, you should be able to complete questions 7 through 9 on transformations of functions. By the 11th, you should be able to complete questions 10 through 13 on transformations of linear functions. And by the 16th of May, you should be able to complete questions 14 through 15 on graphs of transformations.